Welcome back to Morning Sun Homestead. Are you interested in learning to make something that's full of nutrition that you can use in your recipes to feed your family? You can use it to clean your house. You can also use it to help clean the debris out of your own body. If you're interested, stick around and we're going to show you how to make apple cider vinegar homemade from raw apples. These apples have been picked from our property, and they are not sprayed or anything like that. They do have some blackness on them, but that's not going to hurt what we're trying to use them for. After they are peeled and cored, we can use the flesh of the apple for whatever else, such as dried apples, or we can use it for apple pie filling, applesauce. We're going to put these into apple juice, but we're going to use the peeling and the cores for apple cider vinegar. This is an apple peeler that we've had for many years. We've gotten it from Lehman's in Kendron, Ohio. It's very simple to work. After picking the apples, of course they need to be washed to get all the debris off of them. Apple cider vinegar has so many healthful uses. We use it in many recipes, including in our smoker when we're smoking our meat. We mix it with water for the liquid in the bottom of the smoker. My husband and I also drink it daily for our health. 2 teaspoons mixed in a half a glass of warm water, taken before each meal. We store our apple cider vinegar as it's fermenting into a 5-gallon bucket because we use so much throughout the year. The bucket is a food grade that we got from our local grocery store. Most small town grocery stores will have buckets that they're just going to throw away, and if you ask for them from the deli, they will give them to you. After the bucket is 3/4 of the way full, with apple pieces, we mix 1 tablespoon of sugar to 1 cup of water. Don't short the sugar because that's what starts the fermenting process. The water doesn't have to be hot or cold, but I did make mine lukewarm just so the sugar would dissolve quicker. As it's poured into the bucket, some of the pieces will float. It will not all be submerged, but that will still be okay. You could also store them in glass jars if you don't have a large amount. Half a gallons, quarts, pints, or 1 gallon glass jars will work just as well as a food grade bucket. After it's completed, it will need to be stirred each day for approximately 2 weeks. If it's not sour enough for your taste, after strained, you can let it set for another 2 weeks. We hope you enjoyed this video.